Now the next question is sine inverse 1 minus x square root. Solution: let y is equal to sine inverse square root 1 minus x square. Again, we have to differentiate a function which is sine inverse, and again using the same result or the theorem formula which is discussed in previous part, derivative of sine inverse x is actually 1 over square root 1 minus x square. Here in place of x we have this function actually square root 1 minus x square. Now differentiate with respect to x, that will become dy by dx is equal to 1 over square root 1 minus x square, but we have now square root 1 minus x square in place of x, so that will become actually square root 1 minus x square whole square, and now derivative will apply on this value which is actually 1 minus x square with square root. Now 1 over this square will be cancelled out to this square root. We have 1 minus this bracket 1 minus x square. When minus will be applied on this thing, that will become 1 minus 1, and this minus and minus will become plus x square. And derivative of square root 1 minus x square is by using power formula 1 by 2 1 minus x square 1 by 2 minus 1, which is minus 1 by 2, and then derivative will apply on this inner function 1 minus x square. dy by dx is equal to 1 will be cancelled out. We have 1 over square root x square, this 1 by 2 as it is, and minus 1 by 2 will be shifted to the denominator, will become a positive power and can be written as with square root 1 minus x square. And now derivative of 1 minus x square will be derivative of 1 will be 0, and derivative of minus x square will be minus 2x. This 2 will be cancelled out. We have this dy by dx is equal to minus x divided by this square will be cancelled out. We have only x, and this square root 1 minus x square, which is this one. Again x will be cancelled out. Finally we have dy by dx is equal to minus 1 divided by square root 1 minus x square. Now the fifth part, differentiate secant inverse x square plus 1 divided by x square minus 1. We have the formula of derivative of secant inverse x is equal to 1 over x into square root x square minus 1. So just putting the value of this x which is in this particular part is x square plus 1 and divided by x square minus 1. So just to replace this x with this whole function x square plus 1 divided by x square minus 1. Solution: let y is equal to secant inverse x square plus 1 divided by x square minus 1. Differentiate with respect to x. We have dy by dx is equal to, now just to compare this one, 1 divided by x. Now we have x here is actually x square plus 1 divided by x square minus 1, which is this one, and then square root x square. Actually we have this one in place of x, that will become x square plus 1 x square minus 1 whole square minus 1, and then derivative will apply on this value which is x square minus plus 1 divided by x square minus 1. Now the next part is this x square plus 1 will be as it is, x square minus 1 is dividing in the denominator, so will come into the numerator part x square minus 1. This is actually shifted to the numerator x square minus 1, and in the square root portion x square plus 1 whole square x square minus 1 whole square. Square will be applied separately both of these two parts, and this minus 1 will be as it is. And when we differentiate this portion, now we use quotient theorem, that is x square minus 1 whole square. X square minus 1 will be as it is, derivative will apply on the numerator which is x square plus 1, minus x square plus 1 will be as it is, and derivative will apply on x square minus 1. This x square minus 1 will be as it is. We have this x square plus 1. This x square minus 1 is actually simplifying by this one, this will be cancelled out. First we see in denominator, in numerator part, that is actually this x square minus 1, and derivative of x square plus 1 is 2x, because derivative of x square is 2x and derivative of 1 is 0. Next, minus this x square plus 1 will be as it is, and derivative of x square minus 1 will be 2x, because derivative of 1 will be 0. Now we come into the denominator portion. This x square plus 1 will be as it is. As this x square minus 1 is cancelled out to this square portion, we have only x square minus 1 with power 1, which is this one. And now come to this square root portion and simplifying this result by taking an LCM, which is x square minus 1 whole square. We have x square plus 1 whole square minus, when 1 will be divided by this one, that will become x square minus 1 whole square. So just we look again in this step. This first x square minus 1 will be cancelled out. We have only this numerator portion, which is x square minus 1, derivative of x square plus 1 is 2x, minus x square plus 1 as it is, and derivative of x square minus 1 is 2x. And in denominator, this x square plus 1 as it is. First we write this x square minus 1 with power 1, and then simplifying this square root portion by taking an LCM. Now the next step is 2x is present in both of these two terms, so can be taken as a common factor. 2x, we have left here x square minus 1, and here x square plus 1. By applying this minus to this portion, this will become minus x square minus 1, and in denominator this x square plus 1, this x square minus 1, and in this square root portion, this square root will be cancelled out to this square. In denominator we have only x square minus 1, and in numerator, just to open these two squares, we have x4 plus 1 plus 2x square, and this minus, and again open this square, which is x4 plus 1 minus 2x square. Again the same step which is in previous slide. Now this x square will be cancelled out. This 2x is as it is, minus 1 will be minus 2. This x square plus 1, this x square minus 1, and this x square minus 1 will be cancelled out. And in square root portion we have x4 plus 1 plus 2x square, the same thing. And minus will be applied on this bracket, that will become minus x4 minus 1 and plus 2x square. So x4 plus 1 minus 1 cancel out, and in numerator that is minus 4x divided by x square plus 1, and in square root portion we have 2x square, and 2x square will be 4x square. In the next step, that is minus 4x, x square plus 1, applying square root to this portion, that is 2x. So simplifying this one, x will be cancelled out, 2 2s are 4, we have minus 2 in the numerator, and in denominator we have x square plus 1. That is actually finally derivative of the given question, which is minus 2 over x square plus 1.